God, as far as she removed that money from her pocket with good intention. Nobody does something like that with clear eyes. They did it because they are desperate. They need solution. It even prompted me to pray more. Nobody does things. Oh, there's a proverb in my language. Don't be offended. I don't mean to hurt anyone. They say that anaha janyo maba uka white. Now prophecy, they carry people enter white church. I'm sorry if you're a white garment church. That is what they normally say those days. Anaha janyo maba uka white. What am I trying to say? Every sacrifices you have made in any altar that uses the name of God, at least they use the name of God, whether they are using another name, but because you give in the name of God, all the prayers, all your sacrifices, all your tears, all the pain, I pray for you, it will never be in vain. God will show mercy. God will show mercy. God will show mercy. God will remember. We are going to continue praying. God will show mercy. Quickly. The Bible said in the book of Joel. The book of Joel chapter 2, 25 to 27. I will restore to you the years. We are going to pray against wasted years. Let God restore back. I am going to restore to you the years that the locusts have eaten. The locusts in place of miscarriage. The locust that comes with barrenness. That comes with delay, sickness. Father, my Father, he said, I will restore to you. We are going to pray against the spirit of setback and the spirit of wasted years. I will restore to you the years that the locusts have eaten, the cankerworm and the caterpillar and the palmer worm, my great army which are sent among you. I want you to know that the locusts can come in form of miscarriage. The locusts and palmer worm can come in form of delay. I don't know. The locusts have eaten. It might come in form of fibroid. Delay, sickness. I want us to pray, Lord, Father, King of glory, put an end to wasted years in my life. Lord, I don't want to waste my years again on earth. Can you pray that prayer? Lord, put an end. I don't want to waste any more of my years without fulfilling it, oh God. I put an end to wasted years. Can you pray that prayer? Lord, I put an end to wasted years. Lord, I put an end to wasted years. Lord, I will no longer waste my years on earth. Lord, restore me back. Put an end to wasted years in my life. Lord, put an end. Power that have wasted your years of childbearing. Power that wasted your years of getting married, power that wasted your years in that sickness, in that limitation, in joblessness, put an end to wasted years, oh God. Put an end. Can you pray that prayer? Lord, I don't want to continue to live in wasted years. Reketa kapa, reketa lagaya, reketa payagada baragada, reketa ramosotoria, ragadaga legedega potorobo, rekedaga bokotori kapala. Roponoko Torina Maleke Tarabo, Roko Poroko Sonolala, Yelekedega Porosoria, Radagaya Gada Wosotoriaba, Radagaya Gada, Rekete Tapana Moroboko Robo, Rekete da. No more wasted years, 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 no more wasted years. years. Mashapono porokota yakata na maleke eleke tada balana la balada roponoko polokotoria baba